Hello friend, welcome again your own channel Easy Tech Solution. If you are also thinking that the pin pattern finger face in my phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video is very helpful for you and this is very effective for you. So you have to do nothing. I am telling you this some simple steps. You have to follow with me and you can remove any type of pattern pin lock sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your phone. So make sure your handset is in flight mode. So my handset is flight mode and minimum battery percentage is above 40. So this is okay. So so that this process so that your phone does not turn off during this unlocking process. So let's start. You can see the bottom on the screen. You can see emergency call button is given. So you have to press here on emergency call button, and I am going to share you some master code, and this code is very simple. Just apply on your handset and this code is valid for 1 month. You can note down or you can take a screenshot of this code. Just apply 3 time call option here, call option, and erase this code and again apply a star hash 899 and hash, sorry, a star hash 899 and hash. And now you can see engineer mode page is activated now. So you can see on the bottom of the screen engineer mode page is activated and there are so many options is coming. You have to check your first software version. What is your software version? Like in Realme, Oppo, any Android phone, there are so many different versions. So our Android version is 12, so I am going to press here 12 times. After that you have to come back from this option, again check your manual test and go the device debugging page and check sensor self-test calibration and press here at the same time on the both the option gyroscope and accelerometer. Both options are failed. So have to try minimum 4 to 5 times. At least one we have to pass. So again this is failed. Again we have to try, but press at the same time. Now you can see gyroscope is the past. So come back from this option and go with the last others option, and there are so many 4 5 option is there. So press rewrite important log test and confirm here. And our Android version, you can see our Android version is 12, so I am going to press that 12 time. Now you can check key status is passed. Now you can see, now it's done after completing all the process, that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether his phone is unlocked or not. So friend, you can see our phone is unlocked without any loss of application or any data. I hope you like this video. Then see you with the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.